Right. I think we're almost ready. I just hope everyone arrives soon so we can hide before Amy gets here.
What time did you tell people to come?
About now, and Amy half an hour later.
But most of our friends arrive late, and Amy's usually early.
It'll be okay. I told them to be on time. They'll all be here in a minute.
Oh, hi, Amy. I bet we're the first to arrive.
Hello. First for what?
The party, of course. The surprise party.
I came to revise a bit with Daisy. Nobody told me anything about a party.
They must have just forgotten. You can revise another day, can't you?
Yes, but I haven't brought anything. And if I'd known, I would have worn something nicer.
I'll say my present is from both of us. And you look great. You always look great. Well, let's go in, shall we?
What are you doing here?
We're here for the party, of course. The surprise party.
Well, it's not a surprise anymore, is it?
What do you mean?
It was a surprise party for Amy, you idiot.
Oh. Well, nobody told me. I thought it was for Sophie.
I did tell you. If you didn't play video games at the same time as you read your texts.
I definitely would have remembered if you'd told me.
Listen, it doesn't matter. I think it's really, really sweet of you to have a party for me, and I am surprised. I couldn't be more surprised.
Oh, good. Happy birthday for 2 days ago.
Thanks a lot, Daisy. And Ollie, it's a lovely surprise.
It would have been even better if Alfie hadn't ruined it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.